Hopefully everyone's having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're watching this in the world. My name is EQ, aka the Certified Gem Hunter, and welcome to another episode of Stonkaholics. Now, in this project, we're going to be talking about Numbers Protocol. This is another low cap gem that the market cap just came out with in the last couple days. It is one of those that can potentially pull a 50 to 100x if it really wanted to. But before we get into all this, if you could take a second to throw a like on this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and go check out our Discord group, that'd be greatly appreciated. Without further ado, let's get this intro rolling. Now, Numbers Protocol, you can see by the ranking, 2816, that means it's not listed on 3 centralized exchanges yet. So it's not really favored on CoinMarketCap. That's a good thing to see when you're trying to buy the bottom. We're sitting at $1.34, up 14% on the day. Congrats to anyone that got in yesterday when we talked about it in the Discord group, or maybe it was 2 days ago. We're already seeing gains. And shout out to Low Gains for bringing this to my attention. Thank you so much. Now the market cap is currently sitting at 52 million, which is great to see. It's very low market cap. That means a 10x move will put this at $500,000, which is very easy to achieve. Now the next goal for that would be the 100x at 5 billion, which is not going to be the easiest goal, but it's definitely something that's achievable with a project that has the vision that Numbers Protocol has. Now you can see right off the bat this is a token because it's built off the Ethereum network, and it's also a bridge into the Binance Smart Chain. Now Numbers Protocol is giving you the full picture. It's a decentralized photo network for creating community, value, and trust in digital media. Now they were just listed on Gate, KuCoin, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap, which is why you're starting to see listings of this, but a couple days ago there wasn't even a market cap. So this is a brand new project. Now 2.5 million unlicensed images are stolen every day. Damages total 600 billion daily. There's no control, there's no copyright, and there's no trust. Now this is where Numbers Protocol will step in because they're looking to be the new decentralized photo network. So everything we see, hear, and think and do is manipulated, edited, cropped, and censored. And they believe in change, built from the ground up by a decentralized community, with the freedom to debate, narrate, and analyze where your future is user-owned, created by you and our community. You are able to unshackle yourself from the chains of big tech, unravel yourself from the echo chambers, Twitter spats, and censorship. They're redefining what authentic means online by putting critical thinking first. Now what they're doing is building an improved network from Web 2.0 to the Web 3.0 technology, aka creating a smarter NFT or another layer where you can add ownership and content provenance, creation certifications, and photo history onto photos on the back end. So you're getting a lot more protection than just a Web 2.0 would be giving you. You're able to prove all that ownership and certificates and everything on the back end. This is a fantastic idea, and it's probably going to work really well. Again, it's essentially how NFTs work, but it's used on a more enterprise level. So it's not using the NFT platform, but using more scalability in terms of overall censorship and ownability. Now the Capture app is going to be the entrance to Web 3.0. It has the asset wallet, a blockchain camera, one-of-a-kind statuses, a network ecosystem, and the ability to get into NFTs, or one click to turn Capture assets into NFTs, like we were just saying about NFTs and this project just using a different name for it. They have really good developer tools if you want to check that out. That's a dev team. Everything is transparent, so you'll be able to read on-chain history and go through any of the claimed copyrights and verify all ownership. You have the Web3 search engine for users to find the history of NFT content. And here are some milestones that they've been continuously pushing all the way through December 2021. So it'll be interesting to see where they get to into 2022. Some of their investors are Protocol Labs and Binance, which is obviously a great thing to see. And some of their partners, Exodus, Dexforce Ventures, Thundercore. So you have a lot of venture capital companies as well. Those are probably the first people that bought in. But now we're getting that first taste of numbers now that they're listed on KuCoin, for example. Now we have a quick, short, and sweet white paper on their end. It's only 12 pages, so hopefully we see an updated version that'll have a couple more pages. But all said and done, it is good. It shows all the tokenomics. It shows where everything is going to be going, how the system works, everything you'd want to see in a white paper, or a light paper in this sense, because this isn't their white paper. This is the first step, which is just the light paper. And that's another way that you know that you're very much in the beginning of this project and in the first steps. You're not even at $100 million market cap yet. So this is still insanely low. Now, because the chart is so new on numbers, we're going to have to play the hourly on this. And as you can see, we found this first support at around 55 cents once price came out and sold off. Obviously, that's going to happen when you first get listed on exchanges. People are taking advantage of that. Now you got your first buying opportunities at 50 cents. Price started to move up. We're seeing this continuation pattern. And throwing a Fibonacci on there, you can see this continuation pattern is confirmed when we got a buy signal at the 50 and we were able to break this wedge. Now we're waiting to see if we can find a support hold either on the HMA or maybe retest this $1.14 range before we start to move back up and follow the harmonics of the Fibonacci and this continuation, which we'll be looking into around the $2 area for our final take profit in this short-term move. But all in all, numbers is looking very strong. We are looking relatively overbought. Keep in mind, this is the hourly, so that's why I'm saying that you can come down and look for a potential support hold before this pushes back up. But numbers has a lot of potential, and it's a very low market cap, so I wouldn't be considering playing this on a low term. I would be dollar cost averaging in and getting some really solid buying opportunities before this actually takes off. And playing the long-term game with this. Now, it's not financial advice. This is just a recommendation in what I'm personally doing myself. But none of this is financial advice, so make sure to do your own research. Risk management is key when you're trading, and always trade responsibly. Now, right now, we're waiting for some volume spikes. We are seeing a little bit of seismic activity. I want to see this continue on a sell-off or maybe shrink, and then we get another seismic move to confirm that we are out of this downtrend and breaking up into the next wave. And what I mean by the downtrend is the bull continuation. And another reminder that this thing is only at a $50 million market cap or so. So to do a 10x move would be 500,000. So doing a 20x move to get to a 1 billion market cap wouldn't be anything far-fetched. That's definitely possible. So there's definitely there's a ton of potential with numbers protocol. We're going to be talking about this a lot in our Discord group. This is going to wrap up our video on numbers as well. So if you didn't get a chance to before, throw a like in the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go join our Discord family. Hopefully you have a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on where you're watching this in the world. And we'll catch you on the next video.